Find power yoga poses for weight reduction. Are you annoyed to your excessive weight? Do you want to shed extra pounds? Don't fear. Power yoga is there for you. At present time, there are plenty of men and women affected by the obesity on the grounds that of unhealthy way of life. If you wish to lose weight in a normal means, then today listed here we are telling you about the vigor yoga for weight loss. Vigor yoga is measured to be one of the fine ordinary methods of reducing weight. It is therapeutically riskless and has no aspect effects. Power yoga is an umbrella class of yoga that comprises vigorous and active Bikram and Ashtanga yoga. In vigor yoga you will move swiftly over a flowing sequence of yoga poses which can be related along with flat deep respiratory. Advantages of vigor yoga: increases metabolism, burns calories, rises flexibility and strength in gluts, increases stamina, strength, flexibility and tones our physique and core. Eases stress and anxiety and develops focus. First-class energy yoga poses for weight reduction, making use of dumbbells. Nonetheless, doing power yoga advantages you to burn more energy. Under we have stated 15 great vigor yoga poses to lower your weight. 1. Wind releasing pose, steps, that is a plentiful energy yoga pose for losing extra weight from the stomach area and stomach. That is also recognized as Pawan Muktasana. Lie down on the bottom to your again. Boost your correct leg in ascending method at a perspective of 90 measures. Bend your proper leg out of your knee and place it for your stomach. Press your leg resolutely alongside your stomach. Clutch it together with your palms and press it. Alleviation. Repeat the equal with left leg too. 2. Aspect stretch pose, steps. This power yoga asana raises your heart expense, burns calories and advantages in dropping fats out of your aspects. For this, stance on the bottom in straight pose, arms apart from the physique, palms down. Increase your hands in the rising direction and soar them upwards. Curve to your right part, so extending the proper hand near the right part from over your head. Repeat the equal on the left facet too without difficulty. 3. Dhanurasana yoga or bow pose, steps. Dhanurasana is an inordinate yoga movement for firming and shedding further fat from your legs and arms. For this, lie down on the bottom for your stomach. Twist your legs out of your knees and rise up your legs from in the back of. Arch your back and attempt to snatch your legs together with your arms. Stay regular for a while and then remedy. Chill out. 4. Garudasana yoga or eagle pose for drop some weight, steps. Garudasana is a unique just right weight reduction alternative for individuals who daydream of thinner legs, palms and thighs. Stance on the ground in straight function, arms besides the body. Enhance your left leg up, pleat it from the knee and binding it around the correct leg. High your hands up, raise them in reverse of the chest and canopy the left hand round the right hand. Look straight. Ease. 5. One-legged downward dealing with dog pose, steps. To try this pose, location yourself on all fours. Fold your toes beneath and on respire, press your hips up and back. Aid your head in step with your neck and contain your core muscle groups. Press your arms into the bottom firmly and prolong your right leg to the sky, as first classes that you would be able to. Seize the leg in the air for 5 full breaths previous decreasing the leg to the bottom. Shift sides. 6. Bhujangasana yoga or cobra pose, steps. This pose is a pleasant trial for solidifying the buttocks and toning the abs. Lie down on the ground on your belly, palms placed on the ground in addition your chest. Kick your higher physique up, chest off the floor. Curve backwards as abundant as you could. Seam up. Stay stable for a while and challenge. So, these are power yoga poses for weight reduction and I hope you love this article and in finding it beneficial as well potent. 7. Solar salutation poses or Surya namesake, steps. Vigor yoga for weight reduction includes the entire solar salutation approach which starts with the cobra pose and as you go concerning the various stretches you can finish the procedure with the spray namaskar. The process starts with a general stretch which then converts into a lunge after which a twist including the downward dog and cobra pose in it. End the pose with a smooth respiratory, your fingers fold in entrance of view. 8. Corpse and boat pose, steps. The corpse pose starts with you mendacity down to your back in a resting pose. Your next step you sit down up halfway while lifting your lower limbs so that a tight difficulty is felt on the belly area. Outstretch your arms in front of you to help the burden. This is among the quality and simplest vigor yoga poses for fast weight loss. 9. Warrior twist pose for weight loss, steps. Vigor yoga workouts for weight reduction on this yoga posture starts with you standing, your limbs outstretched and extensive aside from each other. Location 1 foot in front of the other an excellent few inches away to create a stretch and then bend your marrow only a bit. For the twist which you could now deliver your marrow back and effortlessly twist the upper physique to at least one part. 10. Uttanpadasana yoga or raised feet pose, steps. Start by using lying down in your back and relaxation, your hands on both sides of you. Crunch your stomach and now start elevating your scale back limbs together. Go excessive until your limbs are perpendicular to your body and leave it for 2 seconds as you dent your stomach and tighten it. This is among the most important and easiest energy yoga poses for weight reduction for even newcomers also. 11. Arch Chandrasana Yoga or half of moon pose, steps. Here is but additional energy yoga poses for weight reduction. Right here we start with a duplicate of the downward canine as you stand there, your toes and palm touching the bottom. Now elevate one part of your limb excessive enough to create a stretch and maintain the roll. Repeat the identical with the reverse limbs for the subsequent set. 12. Paschimottanasana Yoga or seated forward bend, steps. By sitting to your back, your legs stretched in front of you and your fingers resting on the part of you. Straighten your spine and now slowly bend forward, attempting to grab your toe with the hands. Your reduced limbs should be straight, all this even as. 13. Arch Matsyendrasana Yoga or half fish pose, steps. Begin by sitting on the floor, your legs folded in entrance of you. Your leg, considered one of them, will have to go over the opposite as you situation that toe flat on the ground. Straighten your backbone and now does a half twist together with your upper body, your elbow of the twisted arm resting on the knee. Repeat the identical with the opposite part. 14. Arch Chakrasana or one half wheel pose, steps. For this, begin by lying down to your back. Use your fingers as head leisure as you cushion your neck and raise your body from the middle upwards. Your feet must still be glued to the bottom. For your next step without problems, stretch out one of your limbs and hold the function, except repeating that equal with the subsequent aspect. 15. Triangle pose for weight reduction, steps. It is excellent energy yoga for weight loss for beginners. Stand straight to this pose. Maintaining your spine and upper physique straight, start pushing your legs outwards so that you could now suppose the stretch from the pull. Now start bending down on your part except the palm touches the bottom. The opposite hand can at the same time help the body with the aid of lifting it upwards, straight.